So next topic is based on amount of solute. So already in types of solution, 3 types we have seen. So based on physical state of solute and solvent, based on types of solvent, and based on types of solute. So first 2 already we completed. So last one we will see. Based on type of solute is nothing but based on amount of solute. This is the last one. So what is meant by based on amount of solute? So already we learned if any solution means it contains both solute plus solvent. So solute plus solvent combined to form a solution. So third term is we have to calculate in every solution there is a limit for solute present in the solvent. So this one going to see in this topic. So based on amount of solute is amount of solute that can be dissolved in the given amount of short form, right? Given amount of solvent is limited under given condition. So already I said every solution, the solute has certain limit to dissolve in the solvent. So third one is based on that. So amount of solute that can be dissolved in the given amount of solvent is limited, underlying important, limited under given conditions. So already we know solution means solute plus solvent combined to form a solution. Same way, in this we dissolved certain amount of solute in the given amount of solvent to form a solution. Based on this, it is classified into 3 types. It is classified into 3 types. One is saturated solution, unsaturated solution, supersaturated solution. So based on this, solution is classified into 3 types. One is saturated, another one is unsaturated, third is supersaturated. So when he's going to see these 3 topics, first you see one general example. Based on this we can see these 3 topics. General example is 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. That means we can dissolve only 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. More than that we cannot dissolve in 100 gram of water. Remember, up to 36 gram of NaCl we can dissolve in 100 gram of water. More than that we cannot dissolve. So sodium chloride has certain limit. So up to 36 gram only we can dissolve it in 100 gram of water. More than that we cannot dissolve. So using this example we can see these 3 topics. So first one is saturated. Saturated means 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. It is an example for saturated. Saturated means up to 36 gram it is completely dissolved in 100 gram of water. So definition is no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at a given temperature. So no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at the given temperature. It's called as a saturated solution. That means the 36 gram of NaCl is completely dissolved in 100 gram of water. So completely 36 gram is completely dissolved in 100 gram of water. Hence there is no solute. That's why I mentioned no more solute can be dissolved in the solvent at the given temperature. Is called saturated solution. In case of unsaturated solution, example is 10 gram of NaCl in of water. So that already I mentioned. So we can dissolve up to 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water, but in case of unsaturated we can dissolve only small amount. So up to 36 we can dissolve, but we dissolve only 10 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. So compared to the maximum amount, this amount of solute is less. So in case of unsaturated solution in which less solute than the saturated solution at a given temperature. So in this case, saturated solution we can dissolve up to 36 gram. So you compare with 36 gram, 10 gram is very less. That's why in unsaturated solution, less solute than the saturated solution at a given temperature is called unsaturated solution. In case of supersaturated, example is 40 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. So imagine, already I mentioned we can dissolve up to 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of H2O. We can dissolve only up to 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of H2O. In case of soup, I said more than that it cannot dissolve. It won't dissolve. That means it remains settled down at the bottom. In case of supersaturated solution, they mention 40 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. That means so solute remains undissolved and settled down at the bottom. So in compare with the saturated solution, saturated is 36 gram. In case of supersaturated is 40 gram. So solute concentration here compared to saturated and supersaturated, solute concentration is more. So in case of supersaturated, more solute than the saturated solution at a given temperature. Remember this equation. So this solution, supersaturated solution is unstable. So it won't retain for long time. Immediately the solute is recrystallized and form a solute. The solute present in the solution is recrystallized to form a solute. So this supersaturated solution is unstable. It can be altered by any conditions of temperature and pressure. So these are about saturated, unsaturated, supersaturated. So in the exam maybe they will ask, they given two examples. Suppose 20 gram of H2O, 30 gram of H2O, 46 gram of H2O, 36 gram of H2O. So identify the type of solution, whether it is saturated, unsaturated or supersaturated. You have to identify. Sorry, I didn't mention the solvent. Solute 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of H2O, 46 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of H2O. In case 30 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of H2O, 20 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of H2O. So we know, so solubility of NaCl is 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. That means so up to 36 gram of NaCl only we can dissolve in 100 gram of water. More than that we cannot dissolve. So if it is less means then it is unsaturated. If more than 36 means it is supersaturated. So let's see this example. First one is 20 gram and 30 gram. It is less than 36 gram. So first two are. because less solute than that of saturated solution. So first two are unsaturated. Third one, 46 gram of NaCl. We know saturated solute 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water. More than that we cannot dissolve. So third one is an supersaturated. And last one, 36 gram of NaCl in 100 gram of water means the solute is completely dissolved in water, then there is no solute to dissolve in the solvent. So it is an saturated solution. So important topic. So based on this they will ask any two more questions: saturated, unsaturated and supersaturated. This one you are experimenting practicals. So next we will see concentrated solution and dilute solution.